Tian Zuning, also known as Arthur. His birth name is Tian Lei. He is born on the 19th of September 1997 in Jining, Shandong Province, China. His age is 27 and height is 188 centimeters. His agency name is Was Film and TV. Tian's education details are limited. He began acting professionally around 2020. Since debuting in 2020, Tian Zuning has gained popularity in Revenge Love 2025, a Chinese BL drama aired on Gagulala, where he played Chi Cheng. This role catapulted him from under 1M to over 2.7M followers on Weibo. Being an actor in the rising BL genre, Tian Zuning connects with a network of rising stars, producers, and specialized platforms like Gagulala. His agency, Was, is a major entertainment player in mainland China. He's very active on Weibo, where he surpassed 2 million followers by July 2025 due to his role in Revenge Love. Tian made public apologies and performed respectful bows to fans, reflecting a humble, approachable persona. He's vocal about discouraging obsession, requesting fans to refrain from disruptive behaviors like airport harassment. He is currently single. His agency confirmed explicitly, never married, never had children, and is pursuing legal action against rumor mongers. Rumors of a former actor partner and a secret marriage with a child were officially denied. In July 2025, actress Teng Zhe-wen allegedly posted and deleted messages calling him wifey, prompting speculation about a romance during their filming in 2024. This sparked controversy and her manager confirmed they did date, though the relationship has since ended. Other rumors mentioned a former girlfriend, Susu, ended 2023, and a current one, Ruruo, but none confirmed. Publicly, details about his family are scarce, no confirmed info on parents or siblings. Born in Shandong, but preferred to keep personal life private. The focus remains on his career and managing public image. His reputation is viewed as professional and modest, despite the intense attention that comes with BL fame. His agency firm response against rumors, plus his public apology, has stabilized his image. Tian Zuning is a rising 27-year-old Chinese actor whose breakthrough in BL dramas brought fame and controversy. Known for his humble demeanor, agency-backed rumor denial, and firm stand on personal boundaries, he's quickly becoming a key figure in China's evolving entertainment landscape. With a slate of upcoming dramas, his career looks positioned for even greater heights. Let me know if you'd like deep dives into his dramas or analysis of his roles.